So this is your question number 3, lap winding. So this is your main winding diagram and this is the sequence diagram. So with this main winding diagram, you cannot fix the brush in this diagram. Okay, so what you have to do is to draw the sequence diagram or ring diagram. So first you draw the first conductor, then based on the table, first conductor is connected to 1 plus 11 is equal to 12, back pitch is equal to 11, then 12 minus 13 is equal to 12 minus 13 is equal to minus 2, that is 47. Like that you have to complete the sequence diagram based on the table. 1 is connected to 12, 12 connected to 47, then 47 is connected to 10, then 10 is connected to 45, 45 to 8, 8 to 43, 43 to 6, 6 to 41, like that. Okay, first you draw the conductors and then mark the conductor number. Then based on the current directions marked in the main diagram, mark the direction of current in each conductor. For the first conductor, it comes under north pole. So mark the direction of current downward direction. So from 1 to 12, the conductors are coming under north pole. So mark the direction of current conductors from 1 to 12 as downward. 1 downward, 12 downward, 10 downward, 8 downward, 6 downward, 4 downward, 2 downward, then 11 downward, 9 downward, 7 downward, 5 downward and 3 downward. So first 12 conductors coming under north pole, so the direction of current is downward. Then next 12 conductors, that is from 13 to 24 conductors are coming under south pole. So they are the current direction of that conductors in the upward direction. So mark the direction of current in the upward direction for the conductors from 13 to 24. Then from 25 to 36 conductors are coming under north pole. So the direction of current is downward. So mark the direction of current in the downward direction from the 25 to 36, that is for 25 downward, 27 downward, 29 downward, then 31 downward, 33 downward, 35 downward, 35 downward, then 26 downward, 28 down, 26 downward, 28 downward, 30 downward, 32 downward, 34 downward and 36 downward. Okay, like that you mark the direction of current. Next is the important step. Now you check here, we can see that at these points we cannot any brush. Okay, so what you have to do is you check this portion, that is backside connection. So here we can see that for the first conductor and 12th conductor we can put a brush here, but we are connecting brush on the front side. This is kind of front side or commutator side. No, commutator side is known as the front side connection and this one is the back side connection, or we are calculating it with the back pitch. So we cannot fix a brush on the top side, we have to fix the brush on the bottom side. So what we have to do is to first find, here we can see that 1 and for first conductor and for the 12th conductor we can put a brush here. So we cannot fix a brush at this place. So we have to put the brush after that conductor or before that conductor. So 1 and 12 current direction is same, so after 12 you can fix a brush here. Okay, then again check, both are opposite, 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 same. So here in the second position, here also we can put a brush here, but we cannot fix a brush here. So the brush is kept here, we can fix the brush here or here. Okay, then again opposite direction, opposite direction, opposite direction, opposite direction, opposite direction, same direction. So this is the position, we cannot fix the brush here, so we can put the brush here. Then opposite, 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 same direction. So in the fourth position there will be a brush, we cannot fix that brush there in that place, so we are keeping the brush here, we can fix it here also. Okay, and in the first case current is entering into the brush, so we can take it as a positive brush. Here current is leaving, if we consider this one, this is our brush position, so current is leaving, so that we can fix a negative brush. Here this is our brush position, so here current is entering into the brush, so it is positive brush, and here it is negative brush. So we have to do this adjustment for finding the brush position. And there is one more method. That method is based on the number of conductors in each parallel path we can fix the brush position. That means here we have 4 poles, 1 2 3 4 4 poles. That means we have 4 for a lap winding. For a lap winding, P is equal to A, number of pole is equal to number of parallel paths. So if we have 4 poles, then we have 4 parallel paths. That means for 4 parallel path we have conductors. Okay, like this. Here we have 4 parallel path. Based on this diagram we have 12 conductors. Here 12 conductors, here 12 conductors, and here also 12 conductors. So based on this one we cannot fix brush here. So what we have to do is to get uniform EMF in each parallel path, we can adjust the brush here. It is somewhat complicated, so you just go through this technique. First you can fix a brush based on this diagram in the front side. So you find the brush in the upper side, then fix the brush right of that brush position. That means here, or in this case we can put brush here or here. Okay, here or here, here or here. Okay.